All right, all right, all right. It's about 3:20, and I don't think much more is going to happen. We didn't really get that reversal doji here. We would have needed to open lower and trigger. So it looks like it's just a consolidation, and we don't even see really a rollover here on the uh, daily charts. And if we take a look at the 60-minute chart on the S&P 500, um, I could be a trend reversal. Yeah, it's nothing really exciting me there. So looks like we're just going to enter consolidation, no crazy sell-off. What's interesting and I like is that the 10-year has pushed up a little bit today. This is an inside bar, could be a bear flag. We're going to have to see what it does for us tomorrow. Looks like the daily might be rolling over a little bit, but we want to see that 10-year start pushing up with the market to show that it's a risk-on environment. I believe that everything's risk-on right now, but this will just confirm that belief. I think tomorrow will probably break today's high and then trade out, but again, this is an inside bar, and really the trade would be breaking one side or the other tomorrow. So we'll just keep our eye on that and see how it goes. We're looking at the VIX. This we don't really want to see the VIX rise up, although this is not very aggressive. Um, and if the VIX trades off or maintains, that means that there's really no fear and everybody's kind of comfortable with the value of the market, which I think everybody is. So you keep your eye on the VIX, and that'll give you some clues as to what's going on. Tesla sold off because Elon sold some stock, and that's okay. Elon's got taxes to pay, and we had a really good move up. So we'll let Elon pay his taxes. We could bounce off that 1119 area. I mean, if it went to 981, it wouldn't be a terrible thing. And we do have this gap in there at the 61%. And a 61% retracement is a natural retracement. This is a rather large move right here. But I'd be a buyer of this long term. And if I was a buyer of this long term, I'd probably take a little piece if we hit that 19. And then I'd take a little piece if we hit that 91. And then I'd look for a close of that gap. I wouldn't mind the ride down all the way because it's a long-term position and I'd be confident in it. But if this baby breaks here tomorrow and closes that gap, I would expect it to make a higher high. So if you're looking at Tesla, there's a way that I would play it. What else are we looking at? We like, oh, you know what? Let's look at Disney because I think Disney's numbers are coming out tonight. And Disney is probably going to disappoint tonight, but have good going forwards. Travel bans are lifting, and they have that park. It's the park attendance that's going to hurt them this quarter, and I think they announced tonight after the close. But if it dips back, it's definitely, in my opinion, a buy. I'd be looking to buy it if it pulls back a little bit. We've been chipping away at it for some time now and buying it on dips, and hopefully everybody's taking advantage of it. But it looks pretty good. I mean, lots of momentum. So enjoy it. Goog, the Goog. Interesting pattern over here, and I think I'd wait for a pullback, look for a dip, and then get involved. I don't think we're going to have a crazy sell-off, so I would support buying on dips. I like Virgin Galactic. You guys know I like it. It's just got to get out of its own way. It does this from time to time. Really kind of gives everybody an opportunity to get in. But once they announce that they're reinstating their private flight program, then you're going to see this baby pop. TBT, excellent way to play the interest rates. This is a short on bond prices, and as interest rates go up, bond prices go down, and this TBT short will get me involved in that. So this is a very low price right now. I would take advantage of this price. I have it considerably cheaper, but I like to buy it on dips when I've accumulated cash, and that's what I do with my directional trading money, my day trading money. I slide it over to my long-term investments and just chip away at the things that I like. TLT, if you think bond prices are going up and interest rates are going down, that's how you play it. That's not the position I'm taking right now. I like Viacom, pays about 2% dividend, and I got a target of about 62 to 64 on this. It's giving me a hard time, but it looks like it could be putting in a trend reversal. This is a resistance now. This used to be a support line. This 37.76. Now it's resistance. Hopefully it pops through there. Verizon, just a good company to buy. It's got to be close to a 5% dividend right here, and there's capital appreciation to gain in it. Good company, good company. ExxonMobil, everybody knows it. Really nice dividend paying stock. Just buy it on dips. That's how I look at it. Buy it on dips. Looks like it's putting in a double top right now, so you might be able to look for a dip. Hopefully you can get it in the low 60s and just up that yield on the dividend. But this is what you buy that for. Long-term dividend paying. Leave it alone. Forget about it. Sell it when you retire. Or pass it on to your kids. And look, what are we looking at over here? Let's take another look at AMC. That thing seems to be waking up a little bit. So the other day that we spoke of it, we put it in this channel. We used to have that bearish until breaking trend. Then it came down, tested this low, and it popped right up. And it's in this channel. And it actually looks like it's having a hard time breaking through that channel. But that would be the entry on the break of this channel. And then you have another resistance up here at 52. I don't think the squeeze play is happening. But if there's momentum in it, you could trade it. And you could see it's kind of an upward trend line right there on the momentum, and it's making a higher high, which means it's going to make a higher low. Looks like it's going to start entering a bullish trend. So if you're interested, this might be a place for you to get involved if that suits your investment needs. And I'm not interested in anything else. So anyway, somebody had asked me to look at Shiba, but I don't think I'm getting a quote on that. I think it was SHBI. Where'd you disappear to? Nope, that's not it. So I'm not really set up to clock the Bitcoin. So you're on your own on that, but that's what it all looks like to me, man. It's good days in the market. People are making money. They're passing that infrastructure bill. Looks like everybody's on board and going to enjoy that. So, hey, back to the 10-year plan, which was buy on dips. So anyway, I appreciate everybody stopping in. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe and hit the bell. Hit the like because it goes a long way. Any interaction. Give me comments. Good comments, bad comments. It all helps the algorithms. And if there's something you want me to look at or put in my review or talk about during the day, just leave it in the comments and I'll hit it up. Or you can call me when I'm streaming. It's just this is off-grid trading. I'm trading off the back of a sailboat. My internet access is intermittent at best. My priority, obviously, is my trading software. So the stream is kind of secondary. And I have software that gauges that and dedicates most of my bandwidth to my trading software. So anyway, if you hit the subscribe and hit the bell, then when I do come back up, you'll get a notification. You could join me. You could rap. Sometimes we have other traders on, and you could hear them carrying on and losing money on the market. It gets exciting sometimes. So everybody just remember, this game is about risk management. You should not be emotional. If you're feeling emotional, you're trading too much. You should be calm and cool. I always recommend that you do a little meditation before the trading day. You should be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.